Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mounts Automotive. Today I got a 2013 Cadillac Srx, clean Carfax, local trade. I'm going to walk you around it real fast and show you some features. Here's a good shot of the rims and tires. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. This Cadillac's got a lot of nice options on it as well too. One of the cool things that it does have has a proximity key, so all you have to do is hit this button right here. It's going to unlock the vehicle for you. This vehicle is a non-smoker. There's no rips or tears in these heated leather seats. There's no funny smells inside of the vehicle either. The carpet's extremely clean as well too. Now we've also completed inspection on this vehicle, and we're also going to put a 30-day powertrain warranty on it as well. Again, no rips or tears in the leather seats back here. Now you are going to have a backup camera and backup sensors on this Cadillac, and you're also going to have a power lift gate. All you have to do to open it, tap the button underneath here, open right up for you. You can also do it from the key fob or from inside the vehicle. Plenty of room here for storage. You can fold all these seats down flat if you need a little more room as well. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24. We also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. Again, no rips or tears in these leather seats. This car's been very well taken care of. Towards the front. Again, 2013 Cadillac Srx, clean Carfax, local trade. We do have financing available. My name is Tim. Let me know I can help you out. You can see the sensors on the front of this vehicle. These are always nice when you're parking, letting you know if you're getting too close to an object. Let's hop inside and look around a little more. Of course, you do have power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. These seats are memory as well. Again, no rips or tears in these leather seats. You are going to have a sunroof up top. You have the nice big touchscreen inside. As you can see on the screen right now, you do have navigation. You're also going to have a backup camera, heated seats as well. And you also have storage underneath here. It's one of the cool things on the Cadillac. If you swipe your finger right below the dash, it actually opens up and gives you a little more storage there. I just think it's really cool. Of course, you will have Bluetooth on this vehicle, cruise control, and a heated steering wheel. Again, guys, this is a 2013 Cadillac Srx, clean Carfax, local trade-in. My name's Tim. Please let me know I can help you out. Give me a call at 309-310-3034. Thank you.